MICKEYMOUSE. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I made these Mickey and Minnie Mouse birthday shirts. My cousin wanted me to make her daughter some shirts for her birthday. She turned 1. And if y'all want to see how I made these shirts, then continue to watch. Alright, so we in design space. And I already have, the shirts, how I did everything. So I'm just going to go and give y'all a rundown. I went to Google, of course, and I just typed in Minnie Mouse head. Then I go to images. These are all the pictures of Minnie Mouse heads that you get. I saw a simple one right there, so I just clicked on it. I just download the image, and then I typed in Mickey Mouse head. I mean, these shirts are pretty simple, but it's cute. Simple and cute. So these are all my recently uploaded images, and I just clicked on view all so you can see how I had them. See, they're right there. So I'm gonna go back. I didn't mean to click on that. Upload image. There's Mickey. Just click on all the negative space that you don't need. We're gonna save it as a cut image. Next, Minnie Mouse. Click on all the negative space. Minnie Mouse has a lot more colors than Mickey do, so you gotta get all of that out there. So I selected the two images, and then I so they can upload onto design space on your working space, I guess what you would call it, I don't know, on your canvas. Okay. So what I'm doing here, the bow. I'm gonna show y'all how I got the bow by itself, because you need that. So I just uploaded, I just selected the image again, and I just erased everything but the bow itself. Them fine lines, I'm telling y'all, them fine lines will kill you. But luckily with this one, it's pretty simple. So, because if I didn't erase those lines, it would be on my canvas and it will cut out. We don't want that. That's a waste of vinyl, honey. I don't know why I clicked that update, but anyway, back to it. Make sure you get all them fine lines. I had to make it smaller so I could get in between all the nooks and crannies. And I see the circles wasn't cut out, so I had to go back, and you have to select each circle so the Cricut could cut it out. Minnie, you got a lot of dots on your bow, honey. Take your time. Well, look, I missed one right there. Gotta go back. There it is. Next. And I made a mistake, and I saved it as a print and cut image, but you know how we do that. Just select it and go to cut. And there it is. So to cut the half of their face, like the mouth and the parts of their cheek and everything. I'm gonna show y'all how I did that. We're gonna slice the image. Gotta get that bow straight. So I'm gonna do the circle because I feel like that's the best shape that will slice it the right way. Line it up with that jawbone. Then we have to select Mickey and the circle. Girl, I'm telling y'all how it's difficult to try to do all that with one hand, okay, and record. So then I did it and I pressed slice and then I'm just deleting all of it. Now before I deleted the circle, I copied it so I could just press paste. So it would be right there. It's easier to do it that way. Bada bing, bada boom. There it is. Easy. Now I'm gonna do Minnie's mini turn. Now see, y'all notice the bow in Minnie's head is 2 different images, and then that circle is 3 images. So when you try to slice with 3 images, it's not gonna do it. Cause I'm like, why the slice button not appearing for me to press slice? And I was like, that bow. So I muted the bow, and then I went in and it let me slice it. So that's just something, I'm just putting that out there, y'all. It's not gonna let y'all select 3 different images and try to slice all in once. You're gonna have to only select 2 images to slice. Alright, then I unmuted the bow. There it is. Now time for the writing. I'm gonna put sister on this one just so y'all can see. Now y'all know I get my fonts from thefont.com. So wait, hold on, what I'm doing? Hold on, child. I'm getting ahead of myself. What I'm doing? What am I doing? Oh, I know what I'm doing. So on the canvas, you saw where when I just uploaded the Minnie Mouse bow, it had the black dots, and the previous images I uploaded I already had on the canvas. The ones I already had on them, it had white dots. So what I did was, to get the white dots, I went ahead and erased all the dots on Minnie's bow. Like when you first upload it and you go to it, like the first time we did it, I messed up. When you first uploaded it and we went to it, you have to erase all of that, like all the dots, all of the black lines and everything, and you just keep doing. You see it's gonna clear out, and then what you'll end up getting is that right there, just a blank bow. And then you go in and add the bow to it, so that way you'll get the white dots instead of the black dots. So that's just another tip, because those were white dots that I had. I just wanted the white dots with that shirt, but if you want the black dots, then that's cool. You don't have to go in and erase all of that. I hope y'all follow me. So with the font, let's get back onto that. I went to thefont.com and I typed in Walt Disney font, and I saw 2 fonts and I downloaded them. Now they're similar, but some of the letters is different, and I'm gonna show y'all. Now if y'all want to know what 2 fonts I use, just comment down below and I'll give y'all the name of it. Or better yet, I put it in the description box down below. See how the letters are different? Like the eyes wasn't, like both of the fonts didn't have the same eyes, and both of the fonts didn't have the same S's. Like, it's just, I know you gotta play with it so you can get it right. Now I had to ungroup these letters of the word. I had to ungroup it so I could move the letters around, and then I went ahead and I attached it back. Now that S is kind of too bold for me. I don't know, it didn't look right. So I went in and I chose the other S from the other font. You see how that one is compared to that one? I went in and I ungrouped it, deleted that one and moved that one up. Then I went in and I attached it, and there it is. And of course you do brother for Mickey, but I was just showing y'all how I did it. And here is some pictures of the birthday girl I'm about to show y'all. Came out cute. And here's the family. Cute, cute, cute. Here's how I laid them out. And I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Let me know what y'all want me to make a video on next. Thanks for watching. Leave any comments down below. Let me know again what y'all want me to do next.